I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hello students, it's me, teacher Sianya. Today it's Wednesday and today we are going to start working with the grammar or the exam theme of this week, okay? So for first grade we have the exam theme. We are going to repeat the exam theme a little, but we are going to emphasize today in how to express the time we are talking about. So do you remember the topic? Well, it's present perfect, okay? And in present perfect, remember that it's an action that is going to occur or start in the past. Although it is present perfect, it's not in the present. It's start in the past, but maybe will continue in the present. That's why we have present perfect. So, for example, I can say, I have gone to Liceo Tullehualco for 3 years. I don't know. Maybe in your case it's for 1 year or whatever. So present perfect again is an action that starts in the past but is continue occurring. I mean, isn't over. Okay, so today we are gonna emphasize in 2 words: since and for. Okay, what are these 2 words? These 2 words are going to tell us what is happening in the time the action is occurring. It's emphasizing in the time we say, okay? So when we talk about since, we are going to say that is the word that is going to start or is going to determine when the action starts. For example, observe the example. I have worked here since 2013, okay? So it means that teacher Sianya have worked here. I mean, the period of time is since, I mean, start in 2013. Okay, when we use the word since, means that in that moment it starts. When it finished? No, it hasn't finished. But I know that that time, in that time, start the action. Another, for example, I have been a teacher. I have been a teacher since 2010. Yes, so I have been a teacher for the period of 10 years, and we continue. Since 2010. I mean, in 2010, I started being a teacher. I think that I started earlier, but I don't remember. But it's quite something like that, okay? And later we have the word for. Okay, what happened with this beautiful word for? Okay, for is going to mention again the time, but now it's going to talk about the period of the time, not only the beginning of the situation, but the period of the time. For example, I can tell that I have been that is progressive. Again. I have worked here for 3 years. Yes, I am telling the period of the time, although it hasn't finished, is the period of time. For, yes. Another, I have studied here for 5 years. Yes, it's the period of the time. Again, it isn't over. Yes, it hasn't finished yet, but I am telling you the period of time. I am not telling you the beginning. I am telling you the period. That is the difference between since and for. Yes, that are going to be situations that are occurring. Yes, they are both talking about the time, but one, since, is referring at when the action starts, and for is referring to the period of the time. So again, I repeat, since is going to be the beginning, for is going to explain the period. Okay, so I hope that is very clear. Please, if you have any question or any doubt, don't forget that you can send me an email, or that you can ask me through the platform in doubts, or you can check again the tutorial so you can better understand. Yes, please don't forget to do your activities, the digital and the book activities, and I see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye.